So today we are here to practice command task for all the candidates. Now remember, gentlemen and ladies, that this task is very important because this is the last task of the conformity series, and this is what is going to decide as to what level you are going to be kept by the group testing officer. So we'll learn as to firstly how to conduct the complete task, because that is the most important part. He wants to see as to how you plan, organize, execute your task. And there will be a lot of changes being done by the GTO to say as to how you are able to handle the stress, the difficulty level. So therefore, be very deliberate, maintain your calm, don't be anxious while doing the task. Have that self-belief and the self-control and do the task confidently. After once you have done the task, I'll debrief you as to what you did in the right way and what needs to be corrected. Whether it is the way you are doing your manner part and whether it is idea the matter part. So let's do it. Okay, so don't do this thing there unless until GTO tells you. Here I have told you, okay, imagine there is one more platform, okay? Now, Commander, don't you think had you been there where the action is taking place, that would have been more appropriate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So would you like to switch positions with somebody?
Okay. 219, can I switch?
So always be where the action is taking place so that you are able to take decision and apply your ideas quickly.
Okay, sir. Below this.
So lesson learned is
Write helping material.
look कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, because यहाँ पे क्या था, height differential का आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. If you look at the height differential, obviously if you tie the rope, it will because of its flexibility will again go down. Okay, continue now, Commander. Move up. So like this, how many will move now?
Sir, 2.
2.
Yes.
But before that, you'll have to get the last person.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2 of you come and ask her to come there.
I will move.
Yeah, walk and reach. The other one also to walk and reach, and the other one comes there.
Please take the load.
Very good. Never lose sight of your helping material and the load.
Pass it to her.
Again, if you get the load here, how will you walk?
Okay, sir.
Understood?
I have to.
Keep it behind. Get the helping material. Okay, see, another important thing. Never start doing hit and trial.
Okay, sir.
Look at the structure, see as to what you need to do, which helping material would be most appropriate to create those. You are trying to create what?
Sir, a bridge.
Half bridge.
Yes, sir.
So for that, what you require, what helping material would be good, and then only do. Otherwise, it looks that किसी तरह से hit and trial करके आप काम कर लेते हो.
Okay, sir.
अब अगर आप पहले रोप बांध लें और फिर प्लैंक लगाएं तो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. Isn't it? अभी रोप बांधने में दिक्कत होगी कि नहीं होगी? तो ये कुछ बेसिक प्रैक्टिकल कॉमन सेंस जो होते हैं ना, वो लगाने की जरूरत है.
Okay, sir.
Now look where you are tying the rope.
It will.
Slide. So which is the best place to tie? Can you see some shape in the structure?
Here and here.
Yes. अब क्या मैंने सिखाया था, डबल रोप को कैसे करके बांधते हैं? सिखाया था ना?
हाँ. Double it first.
Okay, let her tie. Let me see how she's tying. You have understood, Commander, how to tie?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give her the plank and you show me as to how you are going to tie the rope. 219, cross the finish line, walk on ground and reach. Okay, Commander, continue fast. Be careful with your hand. चोट लग जाएगी. सही जगह खड़े होके करो काम. So therefore, in such case, what you could have done was, इसको यहीं पे रोक सकते थे ना.
Yes.
अभी तो मैंने भेज दिया था. Otherwise, you could have made her stand there so that she helps you, and then you come to the finish line. Okay, now.
Yes.
Speak louder and give your commands properly.
Take the planks.
Yeah.
Keep it there.
Yes.
Give. Yes, below. give load from there, stand on the Yes. Stand on the back.
So now why have you kept the balli there? Did she ask you? Do you never do anything on your own?
You
Only
can
what commander tells you to.
Keep the belly down, sir, to proper the inclination.
अभी डालो.
Don't come forward. Just give me hands.
अभी इसको practice करना है how to do this. Okay? Okay, both of you please, the teammates, keep the helping material back. Take the load. You are getting the ideas quickly. You are able to execute. Now what is more important for you to perform better in command task? Do it with more confidence. As of now you are little nervous, shy. Do it more boldly. Speak with more confidence and do everything very deliberately.
Okay, sir.
Be the one who's coming ahead first instead of sending the teammates, and talk properly. Convey your ideas properly, little loudly.
Okay, sir.
Show that confidence in your body language and how even your facial expression, because you are doing good. Okay?
Yes.
पापा का नाम रोशन करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
You will be able to do it. I can see that you are understanding things better and have a bright chance. All the best. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Carry on.
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी एनडीए 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस एसएसबी कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द एसएसबी पैनल, फ्री एसएसबी कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर एनडीए एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.